Page 41, Old Time Piano Ragtime piece. Cool. Problem I have with this, the way they're doing it, is they put it in cut time. This piece, they want it felt in 2. 1, 2, 1. That's why it's in cut time. Ugh. My problem with that is that if you can play it like that, you don't need this book. You're way beyond this book. I don't know how appropriate that is. Maybe this is one of those pieces that, because it's fun to play and it's nice to listen to, this, once you learn it, you're just going to keep playing it on and on. And as you get better going through the book, you'll get better and faster at this piece. That might work too. But for this video, we are taking this in 4/4 time, not 2/2. So I'm going, the eighth notes are getting ands. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Speaking of slow, let's start that. In the right hand, we have here 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and 3. By the way, when they tie that over like that, that's syncopation, because you're expecting to hear another note. That's what you're expecting to hear, but when they tie it like that, that's syncopation. One and 2 and tie and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You see the idea? Now, what I've done in the past to help me out sometimes is I will drop my wrist on the beat, because that helps me feel the beat. So it's 1 and 2 and 3. Even on the tie, I'll still drop my wrist down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 3 and that's helped too, until I get the hang of it, and then I can gradually speed it up. Left hand won't help you, it's just playing half notes. Big deal. Or quarter notes or whatever it's doing. So work it out carefully and slowly, the right hand, till you get it. Your hand will move around a little bit, that's alright. And watch the accidentals. They sneak them in. No, careful. Last line, let's look at that. Last measure, more specifically, let's look at that. You have a 1 and 2 and 3, and there's staccato. 1 and 2, 3. That's syncopation too, because you don't have anything on beat 1. That throws it off. What? The left hand staccato too. Together. And it's soft. You don't end this with a bang, it's soft. Cool, huh? So I use a finger staccato there because it's just a soft thing, and here you can do that. If you wanted to do a light wrist staccato, that's fine. So, but to me, finger staccato works well. So let's play through it very slowly in 4/4 time. I'm going to give us 4 counts. So the right hand is here, left hand's here. Here we go. 1, 2, and ready and go, and 1 and 2 and 3 and. And 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Three, know if there's recordings of this. I'd play it something like this in cut time. Eventually, you'd speed it up to this.